Welcome to Beejak. Beejak is an easy-to-use online invoicing and accounting platform. You can use Beejak to raise simple and GST invoices, record all your expenses, as well as file TDS and GST returns. Beejak is also completely integrated with Tally, so you can directly upload all your accounting data from Beejak to Tally or SAP without any fuss. Let's take a tour of Beejak. From the navigation button, you can select which task you want to initiate first. Let's create an invoice. If you are a returning user, all your data is preloaded. The fields in green already have your data from your last invoice. You can simply enter your new customer details or select an old customer from the drop-down and click Save. Next, you select the nature of invoice, either product sales or services rendered, mark it as CGST or IGST, enter the item description or pre-select from your earlier saved items and click Save. Now all your fields are green. Click to generate an invoice. You can also choose between simple, GST and pro forma invoices here, as well as create multiple individual or company accounts within Beejak. Once you have generated an invoice, you can send it via email or WhatsApp. You can edit or cancel, download or print, and mark it as paid or partially paid. We also capture TDS data here, so if someone has deducted TDS for your services, we can make sure you collect your input credit for that. We also send you notifications on any invoices that are past their due date. Next, let's record expenses. You take a photograph of the invoice or bill you have received, enter the basic details and save it. If you have a GST invoice that you can get credit for, you fill in the GST details here. All the necessary fields of entry for GST credit are compulsory, so you can never make a mistake while capturing GST expense data. Lastly, if you are supposed to deduct TDS on an invoice, you enter the required details and we create a complete TDS data sheet for you every month so that you never have to pay fines and fees for late TDS payments. Once you have made all the necessary entries and the fields turn green, you save the expenses you have recorded. You can go to the Past Expenses section and you can edit, print, download and share your expenses for your record or for your CA. Last, we come to the Accounts Overview section. You can select a period. We show you the total amount of all your invoices raised, all the payments received, total outstanding amount, total expenses, net earnings and the total tax amount for the period. You can also print all your invoices and expenses for that period into one PDF so that it's easy to share with your CA. And you don't have to download and email hundreds of entries separately. You can view, print and download your GST and TDS data sheets. As a special feature, you can download all your invoices and expenses in a single file for direct batch upload into Tally. So your entire year's data will go into Tally in a matter of seconds, saving your CA days and hours of data entry and bookkeeping. This concludes our tour. We hope you love Beejak and tell your friends how much easier it has made it for you to manage your business and accounting. Thank you.